All my life I have a trouble with my teeth. I have gaps. I have small teeth, like you see, it's yellowish. So all my life I try to find something look like my teeth. So before I come to United States, I do one in my country. It was good. It was perfect, but it's broken. When I bite something on it, it's broken. So I only have the lower part. So until now, I use the lower part. It's a great fit, great shape, everything's fine. When I come to United States, I need to do the upper part. This one, I can't walk like this. So I have to do the upper part. I go to a doctor office and she takes the impression by herself, and she gave me this one. This one cost me 1,200. Okay, but it's not fit well. But I can't speak with it. I can eat with it. I can go to any visit with it. So I can't use it. Yeah, this one cost me 1,200, and like you see, I can't cover my upper lips. I have to do like this to cover my teeth. So it's difficult for me to do this all the day, to cover my teeth like this when I try to open or close my mouth. So I can't use it. And when I find pop-on veneers, the upper gum only, they send me this one here. After I do the impression, you see here, it's a great fit. It's matched with my mouth, with my lips. It's look great. So you see, I can open my mouth, I can speak, I can do everything. You see, I buy a spare one, second one, with half of the price. So it's perfect choice. So thank you very much, Pop-on Veneers. You deserve the best of everything, and good luck in your project. Thank you.